This is what I call kind of the ugly stage. It doesn't look great, but as soon as we get in here with the hairdryer, it will really start to open up and it should look gorgeous. Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're doing the next in our big canvas series. This is a 36 by 36, and I did test this design out on a smaller canvas, so I'm pretty excited about it. We're going to be doing a hairdryer pour, and I'm using a Remington hairdryer. This one you can do on cool, on hot. You can do it on high or low, so it's fantastic. And we're going to start off with a black base. So this is Mixed Media Girl pouring paint, and it's a large canvas. It's going to take a lot of paint. That's okay. Now you can spread this around with a spatula, you can use your hands. I'm gonna go ahead and use the hairdryer because that will give me a nice even coat. So I'm gonna start off probably on low just to gently move around, and then I may go up to high air if needed, and this is all gonna be on cold. Alright, so that wasn't super easy because I'm very short and this is a large canvas and my table's really tall. So I think I did a pretty good job. I'm going to go ahead and torch this real quick to get rid of any air bubbles. Okay, now for the fun part, for the design. So this is going to be all purples, and I'm starting off with some electric purple, which is a neon, and I think it looks amazing next to the black. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of amethyst, nice pretty metallic purple. Try not to overdo it on that because the metallics can sometimes go a little bit crazy, so be careful. Going with a little bit of Malibu Sky as well, also a metallic. Now I'm going to get in here with a little bit of the royal purple. Now this is pretty dark, so I am going to go into the black a little bit with it, which you won't be able to see really, but it will add actually quite a bit of depth to the painting. And I do want to add a little bit of this light blue that I made. It's almost like a light kind of turquoisey kind of color. Just adding a little bit of that for a pop of that color. And I think lastly, a little bit more electric purple. This is what I call kind of the ugly stage. It doesn't look great, but as soon as we get in here with the hairdryer, it will really start to open up and it should look gorgeous. And we're definitely going to have some black negative space on here, so just be prepared for that. So I'm absolutely starting with the hairdryer on low. Okay, I like it. So it's actually a pretty simple technique. It can be easy to overdo it with either too much paint or blowing it around too much, but really you can keep going until you are happy with it. Now, if you want, another thing you can do at this stage is get in here with a straw to just blow more specifically. You can also take a stick and kind of make some designs if you wish, but I'm quite happy with this, and so I'm going to leave it as is, and we'll bring you guys in for a close-up.